Dreaming of studying in Germany? Unlock your future with Fintiba's blog account. Just imagine having all your financial needs sorted in just a one click without stress. With Fintiba, you can open your blog account in minutes, making the entire process fast and hassle free.
You will need to show proof of financial resources, and Fintiba simplifies this by allowing you to block the required amount, which covers your living expenses for a year. This is your golden ticket to Germany. What is even better? Fintiba offers a seamless digital experience. From instant blocking confirmation to easy money transfers, you can manage everything from the comfort of your home. Plus, you will gain access to health insurance options tailored specifically for students, ensuring you are covered throughout your stay. Ready to make your German adventure a reality? With Fantiba, you can focus on what truly matters your studies and exploring a new culture. Don't wait. Let's dive in and get you started on your journey to Germany today.